Hello friends, today the video is on Sagar Cements Limited and before starting the video let me tell you that if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Now let us start the video. Sagar Cement, as you're understanding by the name, it's a Sagar Cement is a company which is doing business in the field of cement. Its market capitalization is 2,771 crore rupees, which means it's a small cap company. Current price is trading at rupees 212, high and low. It is made a low of rupees 154 and high of rupees 275. The stock PY is nothing. It is showing because it is a loss. Because this year company is in loss, that's why it is showing the stock PY nothing. That is in loss. Book value is rupees 118. So current price is, you could say, it is trading at 2 times of the book value. Dividend yield it is of 0.33%. Return on capital employed is of 8.27%, which means it's a poor return on capital employed. Return on equity it is ROE is 4.85%, it is again poor. Face value of the share is just 2. Now we'll go with company's quarterly performance as well. Now we'll go with company's return, how the company generated return in the previous month as well as in the previous years. In one day, it is a generated return of plus 1.18% return. In 1 month, it is generated return of minus 2.30% negative return. In 6 months, it is generated 3.69% positive return. Year till date, it is from starting of January month till date, it is generated return of minus 9.5%, 54% negative return. In 1 year, it is generated return of minus 2.1% return. In 5 years, it is generated 13.74% of positive return in 5 years, just 13.74. If you take the maximum figure, yeah, okay, if you take the maximum figure, basically this company, you could say this company, it was on this company was listed on 2nd of February 2007 at a price of rupees 31.68. From there it added 178.87 rupees and finally it became 210.55 rupees, a growth of 564.61 percentage. Now it has taken, you could say, 16 years. It is down to line 16 years. Company has generated a return of just 5 times. How much return? It is generated just a return of 5 times, you could say, in 16 years. So basically, it's a, if you take, you would consider, like to consider it's a poor performance only. Basically, would confer its return is poor only, not a good one. Now we'll go with company's quarterly report as well as annually report to understand how the company has is performing quarterly wise as well as annually wise. Coming to the quarterly results, so we are doing the comparison of the last 4 quarters of the company. That is March 2022. We are doing the comparison with June 2022. Then we are doing the comparison with September 2022. Then we are doing the comparison with December 2022. Come to sales figure, it is of 502 crore rupees. From there, it increased to 558 crore rupees. From there, it decreased to 475 crore rupees, and further increased in December quarter to 576 crore rupees. So you could say, living one quarter, every quarter sales is increasing, so we'll mark in a positive side. Coming to operating profit, it is 61 crore rupees. From there, in the June quarter also, it remained the same 61 crore rupees, and in September quarter, it decreased to 6 crore rupees, and in December quarter, it increased to 48 crore rupees. So we could mark in a positive sign only. Living one quarter, every quarter operating profit has grown. Coming to profit before tax, it is minus 13 crore rupees. From there, it improved to minus 11 crore rupees, and in September quarter, it decreased to minus 68 crore rupees, and further improved in December quarter to minus 29 crore rupees. So we could say profit before tax is increasing. Okay, living one quarter. So we'll mark positive. Coming to net profit, it is of minus 19 crore rupees. From there, it improved to minus 13 crore rupees. But in September 2022, it decreased to minus 49 crore rupees, and December 2022, it increased to minus 27 crore rupees. Improved. Okay, so net profit is improving on every quarter basis, living one quarter. Coming to EPS, it is minus 0.98. From there, it improved to minus 0.55. Then it decreased to minus 3.23. Then in December quarter, it improved to minus 1.68. So you could say EPS in rupees, it is continuously increasing living one quarter. So we'll mark in a positive side only. Okay. So everything is on the positive side, living one quarter. So we'll consider its performance as an average only. It's not showing very good performance. So we'll mark it's an average performance only. Okay, average performance quarter on quarter basis. Okay, now we'll go with its annual performance of the company. Coming to the annual performance, we're doing the comparison of last 4 years of the company. It is March 2020. We're doing the comparison March 2021. Then we're doing the comparison with March 2022. Then till today month. That is the running year. Coming to sales figure, it is 1,175 rupees. From that increased to 1,371 rupees. Further increased in March, it increased to 1,597 crore rupees. And in running year, it increased to 2,110 crore rupees. So we'll mark in a positive side only because sales is increasing on an every year basis. Coming to operating profit, it is a 186 rupees. From there, it increased to 400 rupees and decreased to 276 rupees. In the running year, further decreased to 175 rupees. So that's a big worry because continuous for 2 years, its operating profit is declining. Coming to that profit for tax, it is a 50 crore rupees. From that, increased to 281 crore rupees. After that, it decreased to 104 crore rupees, and in the running year, it decreased to minus 121 crore rupees. So definitely big worry because continuous for the 2 years is decreasing, and now profit for tax is coming the negative side, negative showing the return. So we'll mark it a negative side. Coming net profit is of 27 crore rupees. From there, it increased to 186 crore rupees. Then decreased to 59 crore rupees, and this year decreased further to minus 109 crore rupees. So we'll mark it a negative because continuous for 2 years its net profit is decreasing. Compared to EPS in rupees, it is of 2.40. From there, it increased to 15.88. Then here in March 2022, it decreased to 5.89, and till today month it is decreased to minus 6.44. So you could say EPS in rupees is on the negative side because it has decreased for 2 years continuously. Now what we're finding, sales is okay. Living sales, everything is big worry for the Sagar Cements because operating profit is declining, profit before tax is declining, net profit is declining, EPS is declining. So we could say very poor performance by the company. Okay, in very one word we could say, or single word we could say, avoid this company because there are lots of good companies available in the market that one could buy that stock. Simply big avoid. Hopefully I cleared all the doubts. If you have any doubt in your mind, please feel free to ask via comment. And if you visited our YouTube channel for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you could receive each and every notification from our side. Thank you very much.